Hello and welcome back to this channel. Learn Igbo language with Adi Igbo. Mụta ka esi asụ asụsụ Igbo. Learn Igbo language with Adi Igbo. You are a very good Igbo person and I know you love to learn Igbo. Let's learn Igbo language together. If today is your first time of seeing this video, why don't you subscribe? Let's learn Igbo language together. Today, I'm going to teach you how to relate in the family circle in Igbo language. How to relate family circle in Igbo language, family relationship. You will know how to call your father in Igbo, how to call your mother in Igbo, how to call your brothers and sisters, your siblings, your uncles, your auntie, and all of that. Hope you enjoy it. Welcome to this channel. Learn Igbo language with Adi Igbo. Welcome, no. Welcome, bo no. Welcome, bo no. Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relate your family circle, how to relate with your family circle in Igbo language. First of all, the head of the family, the father. Father, bo nnam. Father, nnam. Father, nnam. My father, nnam. Mother, nne. Mother, nne. My mother, nnem. Mother, nne. My mother, nnem. Ị na-aghọtakwa ihe m na-ekwu? Anyị na-amụ ka esi asụ asụsụ Igbo. We are learning how to learn Igbo language within the family circle. How to relate with your family circle in Igbo language. I said earlier, father, nna. Father, nna. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. My mother, nnem. My mother, nnem. Hope you understanding me. Hope you're understanding me. Okay, let's take it a bit further. Brother, nwannem nwoke. Brother, nwannem nwoke. Brother, nwannem nwoke. Sister, nwannem nwanyị. Sister, nwannem nwanyị. Ọkwa ị na-aghọta ya? Sister, nwannem nwanyị. Uncle, that's your paternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwoke. Nwanne nna m nwoke. That's your paternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwoke. Then your maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Your maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Hope you're understanding the Igbo language we're learning together. Hope it's clear. Go to the comment section. If you're not clear about it, I will clarify you. Nwanne nne m nwoke. That is my maternal uncle. My maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Then my paternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwoke. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Igbo language is sweet. Let's learn together. Don't laugh. We are trying to preserve our language and our culture. And I hope you're following me fully. Ndewo, daalụ. That is thank you. You are learning fast with me. Let's recap all over again. Nna, father. Father, nna. Father, nna. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. Mother, nne. Mother, nne. My mother, nnem. My mother, nnem. Eji m n'aka na ị na-esonyere ihe m na-ekwu. My mother, nnem. Hope you're understanding it. Nna, father. Nna, father. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. Hope it's clear now. I assure you, by the time you watch this video over and again within 24 hours, you know how to relate with your family circle in Igbo language. It is that easy. Just follow me attentively and watch over and over again. Sister. Sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Brother, nwanne m nwoke. Brother, nwanne m nwoke. Brother, nwanne m nwoke. Nwoke, a male is nwoke. Male is nwoke. Any man, that's male gender, is nwoke in Igbo language. Male gender, nwoke. Female gender, nwanyị. Female gender, nwanyị. Female gender, nwanyị. So, if we say my sister, sister is a female, and it means nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. Then male bụ nwoke, and we say brother, nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. Then uncle is also a male because he's a man, a male figure. So when it's your maternal uncle, it is now nwanne nne m nwoke. That is uncle, your maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Then if it is your paternal uncle, nwanne nna m nwoke. Nwanne nna m nwoke. Then auntie too is a female. Auntie is a female. So your auntie, that is your mom's sister, it's nwanne nne m nwanyị. Nwanne nne m nwanyị. Nwanne nne m nwanyị. I hope you're following me. Eji m n'aka na ị na-esonyere m. Learn Igbo with Igbo. Igbo simplified. I hope you're following and you're understanding me. If you are not, please go to the comment section, drop your comment. I will attend to it. I will answer you personally. You will understand it. Why I assure you, by the time you're following me step by step in this Learn Igbo with Igbo, you will learn Igbo easily. It's Igbo simplified. I hope you're understanding me. Eji m n'aka na ị na-esonyere m. Nke atọ m iche. Igbo is very sweet. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. I love you so much. I love Igbo language. I love you and I want you to communicate fluently in Igbo. So follow me consistently. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. Let's learn Igbo together. Bye. Que